What is up? What is up? Welcome back. This is Chad, and this is Chad Outdoors. My phone's ringing. Who the heck's calling me? Hold on. Freaking spam calls. All right. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Got the. If you saw my previous video, got the wheels and tires in. Now it's time to mount them up. Before I get them mounted, what I'm gonna do is measure the front and the rear. See where it currently sits with the OEM tires before I mount up the taller ones. These are a little bit taller. And let's see where the front sits at. So before we put the upgraded wheels and tires on, we're gonna go right here off the W, the bottom of the W. It looks like it's right at 2 feet. I mean, we're not gonna get too scientific here, but you know, smidge under 2 feet. And the rear, let's check out the rear rack. And it looks like it's dead on at 3 feet, so hopefully I can remember that. Can't make it much easier. All right, so I'm gonna set this camera up, install it. I'm gonna record it and play it back really fast. Because who wants to watch somebody mount some tires and normal speed? All right, let's get it set up. All right, here we go. Look at halfway through. The fronts are on. These are directional tires, by the way, so make sure you put them on the right sides. They have a little arrow pointing, you know, which way they rotate. So the fronts are on. I'm about to put the back ones on now. It's gonna give you a quick look. You can already tell the difference. It's jacked the front up quite a bit, and the back are looking pretty sad. So let's put the back on. we got them mounted up all the way around. Just gonna do a quick measurement now with the wheels on, with the new wheels and tires on. Last time we did at the bottom of the W, it was under 2 feet. Now it's 2 feet and a half inch. So you're looking at like 24 and a half inches versus 23 and 7/8, about what it was. And then the rear came up quite a bit. Remember at the bottom it was at 3. Let's go all the way to the floor. We gotta get some more tape out. Now this thing's sitting at 38 3/4 inch. It was right at 36 inches. So it came up quite a bit. Let me get out of this garage. We'll go out in the trails, do a little ride and a walk around. All right, as you saw, we got them mounted up and I just hit the trail. Just cruising over here, I can tell a couple differences. First of all, on the pavement, this thing has power steering, by the way, but on the pavement, used to could feel a little tension turning the steering wheel, turning the handlebar, and man, with those on, it felt like it was still jacked up. The wheels were on the ground, but I guess because you got less contact on the surface, it's gonna do that. So that was nice touch. But first thing other than that, right away I noticed is when I took off slow, going 4 miles an hour or less, I could feel every cleat like gling, 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 gling. But once you get rolling, it smooths out. I mean, even 10 miles an hour is pretty smooth. So that's about it so far. Just parked it. I want to just tell you that, do a walk around, and then what we're gonna do is go ride it. I'll show you, see if you can see any vibrating or how smooth it is. The ground clearance picked up dramatically. We're looking at the front, obviously. Just doing a walk around all the way around. Again, if you haven't seen the other videos, then you might not know what size these are. These are 26 9/12 in the front, and then the rears are 26 11 12. The factories were 25 9/12, no, 25 8/12 in the front, and then 25 10/12 in the back. So the size up a little bit wider. Definitely a lot taller, a lot more aggressive. Looks like a four-wheeler, looks like a four-wheel drive. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna do some tests too. After this video, there's gonna be some tests on acceleration. I did I marked a couple spots and I did 0 to blast off till I hit like this tree up here to see how fast I could get going on the OEM setup, the original rims and tires. We're gonna do it on this and do another video after this, see if these lug the machine down at all. So I'm gonna mount this camera back to my head and let's go ride it. Step on the bad boy. I'm gonna go in low. I'll go slow, see if we can see it vibrate a little bit. I mean, on the pavement it's more dramatic, but look, you can see right now, see it shaking a little bit? Ding, 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 ding. See that? When I get going about 4, that's about the last I'll feel it. And it starts smoothing out. Well, now I'm on rocks, but now we get off these rocks, you can tell. Smooth. Turning is easy, one hand. Definitely got more grip. Go ahead and go high. All right, if you can see that, I mean, it's got some mega grip. It just wants to dig and throw those rocks. And what we'll do is we'll go on pavement, give it one more little ride. I can show you how rough it feels. It's very, very slow speed, and then we'll top out, not top out, but we'll go mid-range and see how smooth it rides. This video will be more so just showing you what it looks like and a couple things I noticed right away. And then I will do is have some more stuff coming. Like I said, some tests, acceleration tests on before and after. And then, well, of course, I gotta go get some mud on it and test it in sand and rocks and climbs and see if it rides wheelies, all that good stuff. But thanks for all my subscribers so far. We love you. And if we could just get some more people to join, these videos will just get better. As this channel grows, got more ammo to say, hey wife, got to give me some time to make some more videos, because I am working full time. I've got some kids, so time is tough, but hope all of you are enjoying these. I'm just gonna try better, make them better, and get some more interesting stuff. More mods coming too. So let's get on the highway real quick before we close this video out and do one more little slow ride and then a mid-range ride, and then I will see you on the next one. So hang tight for another couple minutes. All right, we're gonna hop on the pavement, go slow. I'll show you how it shakes because of the lugs. The lugs on the big grips on the tire. See that? Get it in high and go a little faster. There, it smooths out. So that's not bad. As long as you're not going 4.